Hi, I'm Bob Struble. I'm the president and CEO of iBiquity Digital Corporation. Purpose today is to talk a little bit about our company and how absolutely essential free trade is to what we're doing and our future growth success. iBiquity is the developer of HDRadio technology, and HDRadio is the means which AM and FM broadcasters are translating their stations from analog to digital. We've seen in consumer electronics, a whole bunch of other digital transitions, digital cell phones, digital cameras, DVDs, digital television, and we're the guys that are developing that digital technology for radio. We're a smaller company, a startup company. We've got revenues less than $20 million a year. We've got about 130 employees. And the free trade aspect of our business is absolutely essential to what we're trying to get done. What we are is the technology developer. So I've got a very, very highly skilled, trained, very well-paid workforce, 130 people. That incidentally has grown about 30% this past year, so we're growing. And we develop the technology, and then we work with partners across the globe to get that technology built into products. And this interlinking of the global economy is really essential. I might illustrate that a little bit. We develop the technology. That technology goes to chip manufacturers. They build it into semiconductors. Currently that's done by TI, by Samsung, by Philips, by ST Microelectronics. Those companies are located around the globe. So we export that technology to them. They build it in their chips. They then send those chips to receiver manufacturers who are also located around the globe. A lot in this country, but also Asia, China, Taiwan, Korea. They build radios and send them back to this market. So some of the trade policies that are being discussed in Congress, very, very high tariffs on products coming from Asia, a quote-unquote timeout for imports would be absolutely catastrophic to our business. It would shut it down. There's no way that we can have product built and have our technology employed and brought to consumers in this country without the free exchange of trade across, back and forth by the way, across borders. The technology also, importantly, is one we are exporting. There are 30 HD radio stations on the air in Brazil. There are stations on in the Philippines. There are stations on in Canada. There are stations on in Mexico. So we're talking about a technology that was developed here in this country by very skilled U.S. workers and relying on the free interchange of ideas, products, to be realized. We're a growing company. We're bringing some very, very exciting technology to consumers, and we need the free trade regime that's established and has been in place to remain in place, or else we just can't get the job done.